Hi YouTube. So today I'm making a video about me letting the air out of Desiree. So I'm gonna be letting the air out of her all the way, and then she can make it, and then she's gonna make that sound, that sound. So yeah, so I'm gonna grab her everything, and I'm gonna grab her everything and let the air to her all the way, like that, all the way. So that way she can show you the sound that she makes when I let the air to her. So ready? Here I go. Desiree, my beach ball girlfriend. Okay. Ready? That was funny. Desiree. Desiree. Almost done. I have an extra desert anyways, cause I have an extra desert anyways aired up. Desiree. Desiree. Okay, that was fun. Desiree, look at Desiree now. Okay, that was fun. Look at Desiree now. Desiree, see her? Desiree, my beach ball girlfriend, see her right here. Now look at her. Look at her.